When your product doesn't stand out, the problem is usually the banner, not the product itself. Today, how to design a product showcase banner in Canva. Create a 1920 by 1080 canvas to ensure your product has enough visual space to shine in a clean promotional layout. Select a minimal background such as white, soft gray, or subtle gradient so the product remains the main focus without distractions. Upload your product image and place it centrally on the canvas, then use background remover or edit image tools to refine edges. Add soft shadows beneath the product to create depth and make it appear more realistic and slightly elevated from the background.